Hi, my name is Angie Vaughn, and I'm a wife and mother of three boys, and I took Jill's Positive Solutions for Success course. Before I took her course, I was very disorganized, disheveled, constantly on the go, not knowing really which direction I was going at any given time, just kind of like that hamster wheel of life. And I decided that it was time to invest in myself, to give myself a better future for myself and my kids. And so I got in contact with Jill and decided to take this 8-week course, which takes about 2 hours of your time a week to work the workbook, which is incredible. And I said to myself, that's manageable. I can schedule 2 hours a week to focus on my health, my emotional health, my physical health, my spirituality, time management, organizational skills, wanting to be more fiscally responsible and accountable, kind of head towards that health and wealth direction that Jill's course is all about. One thing that I really loved about her course is her workbook. It is incredible. I can't imagine how much time she put into it. It's easy to use. It's fun. It's encouraging. It makes you think. But also there's a lot of suggestions in there to help you think of what you are thinking about to reach those lifelong goals of happiness, fulfillment, financial wellness, emotional wellness, mindfulness. And what is so wonderful about this course that I took was that not only am I applying it to my life, but I get to teach my children. And I want to raise children that are wise, accountable, and make wise choices. And we have to give them the tools that allow them to do this. And Jill's course does that. So I'm super excited about it and where I am now after her course. Jill is also extremely knowledgeable, easy to talk to, supportive. She has wonderful suggestions. I just can't say enough wonderful things about Jill. And one thing that I've learned is that Jill has given me these skills that I'd like to refer to as tools that I can put in my toolbox. So starting out, my organizational time management, dealing with my children, husband, now I have my toolbox with the skills that I learned from Jill is larger. And let me tell you, that makes life a lot easier to navigate. And I'm just super excited. So I'm definitely on a clear path to more positivity in my life, happiness, mindfulness, and I just can't say enough wonderful things about Jill's class. And the workbook is exceptional. So again, my name is Angie, and I hope you invest in your future like I did and see these wonderful results. Have a great day. Bye.